Hello, Malachite. Hello. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. The yoga birdie. Malachite. Hello. Step up. Good boy. Hello. Ooh. What he's doing right now doesn't hurt. He's just testing it out, feeling what it is. When he does bite too hard, just wiggle my hand so he loses his balance a little. Not too much that he falls, but it stops him from biting down really hard right now. He does get a little upset. Woo! Malachite's only about 4.5 months, going into 5 months, so he's still learning and he's still a baby exploring his world and understanding what's going on. Up, step down. Go on. There you go. Now, right now we just have him in a bottle brush play stand, which he definitely enjoys, but he loves being outside of his cage. Oh, there goes his crest. Ah, little bald in the back. Yeah. He loves any food that we give him. He loves every single toy that he has, compared to our African Gray, who has a very, very, very specific choices on what he likes, while Malachite just loves it all. Yeah, yeah. Malachite. He definitely is a wonderful little baby. Oh, there he goes again. Woo! He's the cutest little thing. I see you, Malachite. Right now, he is eating a pellet, Supreme pellets. That's not the pellets of choice that he will be on forever, but this is his, conversion, transitioning, because Supreme's is kind of cheaper than Harrison's. Once he gets used to eating pellets as his main diet, he will be switched to Harrison's, because my personal experience with Harrison's is it is preferred over other pellets, and it has not caused any harmful effects towards my other parrot. My other parrot's an African Gray, and for right now, Malachite and Ruby will be kept separate because Ruby is not accustomed to other parrots. Malachite is also fed a cooked bean mix and a dry seed pellet mix. This is Malachite, hawk-headed parrot. Thank you for watching.